Hey everybody, in this video we're going to discuss 7 ways to make money on the internet today. People always tell me that it's too hard to make money online. Well, I couldn't disagree more. There's never been an easier time to make money online. Today we're going to talk about the 7 ways that you can start today that don't take a lot of money or time. The first thing we're going to talk about is YouTube. And as soon as people hear this, they think that they need to become a celebrity, get the best camera, the fanciest equipment, and become an expert in their field. This is not the case. Many successful YouTubers are simply sharing their personal experiences, giving simple tutorials, or providing product reviews on their phones. They monetize their channel from ad revenue, affiliate links, and when they get big enough, even sponsorships. You've seen 7- and 8-year-old kids doing this. And they're crushing it and making tons of money. It's easy to get distracted by YouTubers who have fancy studios and high-end cameras. But the truth is that the raw, down-to-earth videos which you can make with your phone work really well. It's more about the content and less about the gear or the show. If you feel like you have something to share it on YouTube. If there's a niche you're passionate about, say Pokemon cards or running shoes, start a channel and just start talking about it. The next thing we're going to talk about is Airbnb. I wanted to include this because many people ask for free methods to earn extra income, yet haven't rented out a space in their home on Airbnb. Now, the big misconception here is that people think you need to live in Manhattan or LA for this to be profitable. But the truth is, even people in small, medium-sized towns are earning great income just renting out spare bedrooms. Also, in these smaller towns, you're more likely to get multiple stays a night or even months at a time. There are so many different ways to make money on Airbnb if you're just looking for quick cash. So what about Airbnb drop servicing? For those of you listening that may be in college or don't own your home, but you see the value in this, try going to your parents or a friend that owns their own home. Help them set up their Airbnb and take a small commission. The beauty of this method is that you don't need to own your own home, and you can do this with multiple friends or family that own their homes. This is simply a way that people are making money right now, and it's going to keep going. You might as well cash in on it. So now let's talk about some delivery apps. And everyone is talking about Uber or Lyft right now, so I don't want to repeat this one because I'm seeing much bigger gains from people delivering food, groceries, and some supplies to people ordering online. So people are reporting making $25 an hour with Amazon Flex's delivery service, so you don't need to spend any money getting a nice car, just use the one you have. Instacart and DoorDash are other methods that have some serious potential. Some benefits are you can earn what you want, you have flexible hours, you can be your own boss, and who doesn't want this? This is a great way to start making quick money, and it doesn't cost anything to get started. Let's talk about some Facebook groups now. So a few years ago, if you wanted to wash cars or mow lawns for some extra cash, you had to go door to door. A few years later, there was Craigslist where you would post and hope someone would see you. Now there are tons of local Facebook groups in your area where it only takes seconds to let people know you're available for any kind of odd job you can fulfill. You can search Facebook groups for groups in your own town. You're bound to find at least 1 or 2 groups you can be a part of. Many people are using Facebook groups to connect with each other. If you can leverage that, then you can reach tons of people with your products or services that you're wanting to sell. Here's a sample in my local area for just some quick groups to join and do this very thing. The next thing I'm going to talk about is chatbot support. This is actually a huge opportunity right now. There are loads of independent e-commerce stores drop shipping items and trying to run full-scale companies with only 1 or 2 people. That means they're outsourcing the more tedious tasks to paying big bucks to people have them done. One of those opportunities is running support for their chatbots. Chatbots are great, but a lot of customers fall through the cracks because the bots aren't able to answer their questions and a live rep can't get to the customer quickly enough. You can find jobs for this type of work on Outsourcely.com or even Upwork.com. Here's a screenshot for Upwork.com, their website. You can actually find other jobs on Upwork.com, including writing, software development, web development, and graphic design. If you're looking to offer a service to people, Upwork is absolutely the place to go. The reality is that it doesn't have to be your full-time job. It can just be a source of income on the side. Even an extra $500 a month made from the skills you have but aren't using can make a huge difference. This is an amazing opportunity, and you should look into it if you're looking for just a side hustle. The next thing is, of course, TikTok affiliate marketing. The thought of creating an entire YouTube channel is fun, but if it scares you, creating a TikTok account may be exactly what you're looking for. People often think that TikTok is just a place for kids to show off their dance moves and lip syncing to music, but it's so much more than that. Right now, it's very easy to get views with short videos that offer simple reviews and tutorials that you can provide short links to for affiliates and make a commission on the side. If you want more details on affiliate marketing, I have a link down in the description for some free training. This training actually covers how to find high converting and high commission products, how to leverage a small subscriber base to make money, and of course how to actually build a business rather than just get a few one-off affiliate commissions. All right, so on to our last method on making money. I want to talk about Amazon Kindle publishing. So if you love the idea of teaching something simple or providing tutorials but don't want to get on camera like YouTube or TikTok, why not write your knowledge down for a short book to publish on Amazon? Well, I think having a blog can be a great side hustle. It's much more difficult and takes way more time to rank your blog on Google than to set up a short, helpful book on a Kindle ebook. You can easily make cover designs on Canva.com or hire one out on Fiverr.com. And the best part is you can either charge for your book or set it up for free, which will help get it seen and use it to grow your email list and promote your favorite offers from there. So here's a quick summary of the 7 methods that we talked about. Setting up a YouTube channel and creating YouTubes, renting out space on Airbnb, doing delivery apps, signing up for Facebook groups and using your services there, doing support for chatbots, setting up a TikTok channel, and of course Kindle publishing. So these are the 7 side hustles that work very well, and honestly it's just the tip of the iceberg. There are so many other ways to make money online. Some require you to have marketing experience or a particular skill set, and some do not. And what I'd love for you to do is leave a comment telling me what side hustles appeal to you the most, and let's chat about what side hustles you'll start today. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure to subscribe to the channel and throw this video a like. Have a great day.